Hello, my name is Emmanuel Hardy. I attend Neah-Kah-Nie High School. I'm a junior, and my role here on the FNRL team is I'm the president of the team. FNRL stands for Future Natural Resource Leaders. We have some axe throw over here. We got spur climb, we got arbor climb, powered buck, crosscut, log roll choker set, and some identification events over in the pole barn.
My name is Steve Albrechtsen. I'm a teacher here at Neah-Kah-Nie High School. I teach natural resource science, forestry, and biology. We started this program several years back with a need of getting kids more hands-on experience. It has blossomed over the last several years as we do these events like this, which incorporate so many skills. It's climbing trees, it's throwing axes, it's choker set and spur climb, and these rather physical events that they don't get inside the school. So it incorporates both sides of our brain. It incorporates students just to be active and fully engaged.
Hello, I'm Trinity Lee Shank-Williams. I go to Neah-Kah-Nie High School and I'm in 10th grade. Today we are at the FNRL meet for our home meet. I like this class. It really brings you out to the outdoors, and I love the outdoors. I've grown up with it for like my whole life. And you just meet a lot of new people and people who have like the same likes as you, like being out in the outdoors. And my dad's a logger, so this is kind of like a logging event, so that also brings me kind of closer. You're gonna be in the outdoors, you're gonna go with chainsaws. In classrooms, you're just sitting there writing with a pencil or kicking a ball around. You get to climb trees. Who gets to do that every day?
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
There you go. I'm gonna get...
Neah-Kah-Nie is in Tillamook County, and Tillamook County is just about 90% forest. Within that county, which is 90% forest, there's huge opportunity. And that is a primary reason for the reason why we are here, is that we have an opportunity for high wage, high demand jobs once we get out of school. Because I do care about their success today, but I really care about their success when they're 25 and 35 and 45, and they're independent, sovereign individuals that are making a living in a place that they love.